How, just so people understand this, how big is the money market fund market?
So just in the US, the money market fund is $7 trillion in money market funds in the US alone, right? So, I mean, we're talking a tremendous market here when you think about the opportunity space, right? And that's today with them just basically being used for institutional use cases. This is before we open up all these new use cases.
That's a monstrously large market. But what struck my interest is if you're offering the same to individuals, why do they need a bank?
Well, this is one of the intermediaries that I think have to really seriously rethink what is their role in the emerging economy. First of all the banks today are account based. Not a single bank that we know of offers a wallet based system to manage exposures, right? So they're going to have to retool dramatically to be able to compete in this space. Most banks today are looking to tokenize their deposits or tokenize their liabilities, which is basically locking in their account-based structures. This feels like a very defensive play, right? This is not really thinking about the native rails that you can build upon and re-envisioning what your products could look like if they were running on native rails. And because of that, you don't get the same utility out of these assets that you would get if you had a digitally native instrument. And this is what we're already seeing with money market funds. I mean, plenty of people have tokenized treasuries or tokenized money market funds, but they're not really utilizing the native capabilities of the rails because they're still settling those securities in the off-chain system. We're among one of the only firms globally that has been able to build an on-chain system that our entire set of books and records is on-chain. So we're able to operate at the speed of digital rails, whereas many others are really waiting for that 24-hour or longer settlement window to pass.
And how do you onboard clients? So it's all well and good building a great product, but how do you get clients to do it? Because they need to understand wallet experiences, you know, the new way of settlement. They've got to get their systems working. How's that process going?
Like, I think that these, particularly corporate treasurers and sourcing officers, really understand that if they can get into stable coins and tokenized money market funds for cross-border trade, it removes tremendous layers of fees and tremendous delays in the way that they can receive and disperse capital. I think that they're starting to really even front run where the financial markets are in terms of looking for these opportunities.